Good day. Thank you for coming to our homebuyer seminar. If you're listening online, thank you so much for joining us. My name is Mary Lou Edwards. I've had 17 years experience in the mortgage industry, most of it as a loan agent or loan broker, but some of it as a processor and a funder and an underwriter. I could do instant desktop underwriting findings for you, so an instant approvals online. I could do credit reports and help you dispute items on your credit report and get everything corrected. So based on that, I could get a lot more buyers qualified. We have tons of different government and conventional programs, and the number one government program right now is FHA, which stands for Federal Housing Authority, and that's where a majority of our business comes from. To explain a little bit further on the Federal Housing Authority versus the Veterans Administration, FHA you can do 3.5% down payment on an FHA versus a VA where you have no money down. Of course, you have to be a veteran or somebody in active duty. All down payment can be gift from a close relative or a very close friend. You don't even have to have any reserves after the fact. Credit scores are a little bit harder to get on an FHA versus a VA. Debt to income ratio is also much more lenient with FHA versus VA. And there are several other factors that go into detail here. I'd like to go into detail on the CHF Platinum Program. This is a 30-year fixed rate FHA loan combined with a grant for up to 3% of purchase price. So basically we're financing up to 99.5% of the purchase price. For example, on a home worth $100,000, that would be a down payment of only $500. So a lot of people can qualify for this. It's not restricted to first-time home buyers, and the minimum credit score is only 640. The only limitation is income. So per county, you'd have to have a below median income per county, which I will discuss a little bit later. Another example of the CHF Access program on a purchase price of $325,000 is getting a grant for almost $10,000 and a down payment of only $1,625. So I think a lot of people can come up with this. And here are some of the income limits per county. So as you can see, a lot of people can qualify for this. Alameda County, Contra Costa County is already at $108,000. That's about $8,000 plus a month. So I think a lot of people, of course, if you're married, it has to be joint income. And if you're single, it's just your one income. And so that's, there's a lot of different possibilities for everybody here. Going a little bit deeper into this, rates are lower than normal. No, this is another program. This is the California Housing Finance Agency. And basically, it's a first and a second. You do have to come in with 1% down. The second mortgage is a CHDAP, California Housing Down Payment Assistance Program. And it's only good for first-time home buyers unless you are in a targeted area. And I have a website where you could look that up. There are also income limits for family size and county. There are also sales price limits. And you must live in the home for the entire term until sold or refinanced. There are other down payment assistance available to you. In fact, some cities are offering up to 20% of the sales price or appraised value in order to help you get more house than you can actually really qualify for. So it'll be a conventional first mortgage with a 20% down payment assistance program. All you have to do is put 1% down and get closing costs for free from the seller. The interest rate on this 20% down is 3.25%, simple interest, and is deferred for the life of the loan depending on your income. So if I were you, if you're looking for a house, I would go check your city to see what kind of down payment assistance programs they have, but there are several out there that are available to many people. If you'd like to find a targeted area in a county, or if you have a census tract number and would like to find that area, this is the website to look for. It's www.calhafa.com cal.hfa.ca.gov/homeownership/target-area.pdf. So that's one. And if you'd like to find out about an address, go to www.ffiec.gov/geocode/default/ASPX. Very useful information. Here are some of the targeted areas in our, in our Bay Area, and you'll see quite a few areas, including Concord and Richmond. Sacramento, some parts of San Francisco. So there are many programs available for every type of scenario. Income limitations, credit problems may not be an issue. I suggest to have a one-on-one conference to discuss all your particular circumstances, and you get a free credit report if you sign up today. So we are here to help, and thank you so much for your time. Please call me with any questions at 925-285-5333. Thank you.